Hi, my name is Kapil and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to make your home timeless. I have covered a number of these points in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out right now. I am giving a link of my previous video in the description box below. Now let's carry on with this video. Trends are anything but timeless. In fact, it's rare for any trend to last more than a few years. They pretty much have a built-in expiry date. That said, you can still have fun with trends in small doses. For instance, if there is a particularly trendy color you want to bring in, use small, easy to change items like pillows and throws. If you really want your room to look timeless, you need to hide away that technology. This doesn't mean that you have to invest in expensive integrated pieces, but don't put your media pieces in front and center. Technology has come a very long way, and fortunately, many items such as stereos, speakers, game consoles, and televisions are either getting smaller or becoming obsolete, but they certainly have not disappeared completely. Without any doubt, if you want to create a timeless room, you can use quality furniture, fabrics, and accessories. That's not to say that you need to spend all your life savings on decorating your home, but you should always buy the best quality that you can afford. If you want to create a look that is timeless, filling it with cheap stuff is not the way to go. You can still include vintage and upcycle pieces, but always keep quality in the back of your mind. That is it for this video. If you want to know more about interiors, subscribe to our channel.